When I started the car in the morning, there was an abnormal noise from the engine. I have been using this car for so many years, but I have never heard such abnormal noise from the engine. So I thought it was a major repair. Engine warning light flashed. When I checked the engine bay, a wire that connects to a spark plug was cut. After joining the wire using an insulation tape, the abnormal noise from the engine stopped. Also, there were no warning lights. A new wire was replaced in the workshop after a thorough inspection. The problem occurred due to rat bite. For more such interesting content, subscribe to my channel.